How to reset sound settings on Windows 11 or 10. I'm using Windows 10. The process is similar for both the windows. First of all, open the settings. Click on the start icon. Hover over the gear icon and click on the option for settings. After you do that, the settings will be opened. Click on the option system that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options at left sidebar. Find the option for sound. Once you do that, click on it. Now you can access various sound settings over here. Scroll down. Find the section for advanced sound options. Click on the option app volume and device preferences. Once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see various options over here. At bottom, you'll be able to find this option for reset. If you click on it, the sound settings will be reset to the Microsoft recommended defaults. Simply click on it. After you do that, you can see over here the system has been reset. Like this, you can reset sound settings on Windows 11. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.